What if you could write an entire book without actually writing it yourself? It sounds a little crazy, but AI tools are starting to make that possible. From generating story ideas to writing full chapters, AI is changing how books can be created. So today, we're putting that idea to the test. Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Today, we're exploring a tool called Pseudorite. Pseudorite is an AI writing platform designed specifically for storytelling. It helps writers generate ideas, expand scenes, describe characters, and even continue entire chapters. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with a simple idea. For example, let's say we want to write a science fiction story about a future where AI controls the world's knowledge. We enter the idea into the editor, and the AI begins suggesting ways to develop the story. It can create character descriptions, plot twists, and even dialogue between characters. One interesting feature is called Write. With a single click, the AI continues your story and generates the next part of the narrative. In just seconds, it can produce paragraphs that follow the tone and direction of the story. Another feature helps expand descriptions. If a scene feels too short, the AI can add more detail to make it more immersive. It can describe environments, emotions, and character actions in a much richer way. Of course, this doesn't mean the AI replaces the writer completely. Think of it more like a creative partner. You guide the story, and the AI helps you develop it faster. Instead of spending hours figuring out what happens next, you can generate ideas instantly and refine them. But there are still some limitations. AI-generated text sometimes needs editing to make the story feel more natural and consistent, and creativity still plays a big role in shaping the final result. The AI can generate content, but the human writer decides what works and what doesn't. What's interesting is how tools like Pseudorite are changing the creative process. Writing a book used to be a long and difficult journey. Now, AI can help remove some of the friction and make the process faster and more accessible. For aspiring authors, this means ideas can turn into full stories much more quickly. And for experienced writers, AI can be a powerful brainstorming tool. So the real question isn't whether AI can write a book. It's how writers will choose to use these tools in the future. As AI continues to improve, the line between human creativity and machine assistance will become even more interesting. If you enjoy discovering new AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe for more reviews and breakdowns. And as always, this is AI Scope. No hype, just real insights.